Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on Tubi. Keep watching the video till the end to change your password on Tubi. Firstly, go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in tubi.com and make a search. Log into your account if you're not logged in, and it will take you to the homepage of Tubi's account. Click on your profile name at the top right corner of the page, and from the drop-down, tap on Account Settings. Scroll down, and on the Change Password section, enter your current password. Create a new password for your Tubi account and confirm your new password by re-entering it. Then, tap on Change Password. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change the password on Tubi's account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.